living in Compton for pretty much all my life.
We're all looked down upon.
This is a food desert.
There is not a lot of healthy, sustainable food or living. A lot of people don't have access to this information.
This ghetto stigma makes you want to shine out past what people expect of you.
Welcome to eARTh, a youth education program about healthy eating, healthy living, and being responsible, all through the lens of filmmaking.
We're teaching kids how to make films and how to share their stories, how to grow food, how to create opportunities for themselves, how to be more sustainable. We're feeding a need.
Everything you need is in your pocket, and there is nothing stopping you from telling your story.
So, let's see what happens.
Coronavirus is a pandemic.
A statewide order to close schools.
We've been sort of thrown a curveball. As more quarantines happen, we sort of had to pivot.
Not only are we in an economic crisis, but we're in an actual survival crisis. We're all being challenged to rise to the occasion.
We've been working remotely via Zoom.
No one knows how this goes or how this works, but we're gonna figure it out.
We sent them home with a device. They sort of dove in, and they weren't shying away from showing the realness of what was going on in their lives.
I was looking forward to graduation.
I miss my friends.
For prom, I bought a dress. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to use it.
My father passed away. It hurts.
We've been able to leverage that problem into a better solution.
Our students have been able to share stories that need to be heard.
During the isolation, I learned that my creativity comes out more.
These guns!
I still try my best to succeed because that's honestly the only ticket out of here.
Watching my peers' videos gives me relief to say like I'm not the only one going through this.
They've been shooting with Filmic Pro, editing with LumaFusion.
I appreciate that we get to have such high quality equipment.
We're going to do a little cooking tutorial.
Nice. We're going to learn how to grow your own vegetables. The next is going to be a kombucha tasting video. It's getting crazy out there. Riots happening, protesters protesting. Because of where the world is, it's happening. And it's causing a positive change in these kids' lives.
There's a lot of things in high school you don't learn. Stuff like expressing yourself, finding out what you love to do.
This eARTh program is helping me change my life.
This is a time when the world needs artists. The world needs us to be brave and go for it.
You have to go through many mistakes. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to accomplish the unaccomplishable, if that even is a word.